Car tyre granulate is widely used for the production of many new products, such as additives for asphalt surfaces, non-slip mats, and agricultural machinery tyres. This way, the material gets a second life. Today, we will see how the granulate is produced. For this purpose, we visit the Recykl plant in Helm. The plant in Helm is prepared to process 36,000 tons of tyres per year, producing rubber granules, rubber powder, alternative fuel, TDF chips, and cleaned steel wire. The raw materials from which the granules are produced are passenger, truck, and agricultural car tyres, from collection points located in most voivodeships in Poland. The collection network covers over 2,000 different points, from tyre servicing points, through transport companies and car workshops to waste disposal plants. During unloading, the tyres are cleaned from dirt. The ones that are not suitable for the production of granules due to being too dirty will be used to produce the so-called TDF chips, high-energy fuel used among others in cement kilns. Then, the tyres are transported with a loader to the feeding silo of the line, where the material is pre-prepared. Using a rotary sieve, tyre tumbler, we get rid of dirt that could damage the installation or contaminate the granulate. Finally, the tyres are fed into a single shaft shredder. During initial shredding, we obtain 20 cm long ragged pieces, tyre shreds. The material is sent to the granulation line using a conveyor. In the primary mill, shreds are crushed into up to 20 mm granules. After this stage, the liberated steel wire reinforcing the tyres is magnetically removed from the line. Let's see what happens with it. The wire is collected from all magnetic separators and transferred to the steel cleaning line. Here, the first stage is shredding. Pieces that prove to be too large are returned to the process. Then, with the help of magnetic, pneumatic, and vibrating separators, the impurities are removed. The steel material prepared in this way can be transferred to smelters and foundries where it will be used as smelting charge. We return to the granulate. After shredding in the initial mill, it's sent to a zigzag separator, where impurities heavier than rubber are removed, such as stones, steel screws, and brass. Then the granulate can be transferred to the final granulation line, which consists of 3 granulators. In the first one, granules with a fraction of 15 to 20 mm are crushed to a fraction of 4 to 8 mm. Next, the granulate is sent to a separator or screener using pneumatic material transport. Here, the textiles, which also constitute part of the tyre, are separated from the other elements. Textiles are forwarded to the central dust collector located outside processing hall. The dust collector's total capacity amounts to 165,000 cubic meters per hour. The 2 final parallel granulators produce even smaller granulate, with fractions between to 6 mm. Time for the last stages of production. The material created in the granulators is transferred to the grain classifier. The proper size of granulate is cleaned of the remaining mineral impurities and textile cord residue. From here, it can be sent to the powder production line, where it is ground using a cracker mill. Finally, all rubber products are sent to a bagging station. They are then forwarded to a warehouse, and from here they will be delivered to customers throughout Poland. Annually, the Recykl plants in Helm, Krosno-Odrzańskie, and Shrem process over 100,000 tons of tyres.